Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty. Due to coronavirus, you can't come in school for a long time. I hope you are all stay at home and follow the rules of hygiene. Okay? So, I will take your classes online. Now I am teaching you English first paper book, English for today. English for today. And you know everyone, Eidul Adha is in front. So I will wish advance a happy Eidul Adha. And I hope you all are follow the rules of hygiene at your home. Okay, now I will take your class English for today, and our topics Unit 7, Lesson 3B. Our lesson is Unit 7. Our topics is Unit 7, Lesson 3B, and our topic's name is River Gypsies in Bangladesh. And you know the meaning of river gypsies? Nodibashi Jajabor or Bede. You can say anyone. Nodibashi Jajabor, Bangladesh. Bangladesh Nodibashi Jajabor or Bede. Okay, let's start reading. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live in a nomadic life. Traveling from one place to another, these people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see their men relaxing in the tents. Toddlers play with dogs or other pets in the dust. Women often idle away time by hair doing, picking off lice in twos or threes sitting in a row. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dive for natural pearls in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks, men catch snacks and entertain people with snack. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snacks and entertain people with snack charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people. Often they sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in the magical power of gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special powers. Okay, I finished reading the passage. Now I give you some vocabulary from this text. You look in the whiteboard. I give you some vocabulary. Please note down in your khata. And our first word is gypsy. And the spelling of gypsy is J-Y-P-S-Y. Gypsy. And gypsy, the meaning of gypsy, the Bengali meaning of gypsy is Jajabor. Athoba Bede or Bede. Gypsy means Jajabor, and the synonym word of gypsy is nomad. N-O-M-A-D, nomad. Jajabor. Okay, I hope you will write it. Okay, now I am going to the number 2. Live, L-I-V, live means bash kora. and the Bengali meaning of live is pass kora, and the synonym word of live is revive, R-E-V-I-V, revive. Okay. The next word is own, O-W-N, O-W-N, own. Own means নিজস্ব. The Bangla meaning of own is নিজস্ব, and the synonym word own is personal. Synonym word of own is personal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, personal. Okay. Our next word is land, L-A-N-D, land, and the meaning of land is bhumi, bhumi, and the synonym word of land is soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Magic, M-A-G-I-C, magic. The meaning of magic is jadoo, and the synonym word of juggler, J-U-G-G-L-E-R-Y, juggler. Okay. I hope you are writing. I repeat the vocabulary again. Our first word is gypsy. Gypsy means jajabor, and the synonym word of gypsy is nomad, N-O-M-A-D, nomad. Our next word is live, L-I-V, live, live, nomad. And our second word is live, L-I-V, live, live means bash kora, and the synonym word is revive, R-E-V-I-V-E, revive. Okay. Our next word is own, O-W-N, own. Own means নিজস্ব, and the synonym word own is personal, P-E-R-S-O-N-A-L, personal. And then our next word is land, L-A-N-D, land. Land means bhumi. Land means bhumi, and the synonym word of land is soil, S-O-I-L, soil. Okay. And our last word is magic, M-A-G-I-C, magic, and magic means jadoo, and the synonym word of jadoo is juggler, J-U-G-G-L-E-R-Y, juggler. Okay. I hope you have finished your writing. Now I will give you some, choose the best answer. I will give you some, choose the best answer. And our first question is, river gypsies live in dash, and you have I have give you some clue, and our first clue is fixed price, fixed price, and second clue is brick built houses, and third clue is roaming boats and fish, and our last clue is the hut. Hut means kurekor. River gypsies living, river gypsies নদীবাসী যাযাবররা বাস করে, roaming boats and fish, and our answer is roaming boats and fish. Okay, I hope you completed your writing. I am going to next. Choose the best answer is dash, they live in tents. Dash, they live in tents. Tents mean tabu. Tabu, and our options are, first options are in winter, in summer, in the rainy season, in the spring. Okay. In winter, in summer, in the rainy season, and in spring. And you know, everyone, our right answer is number 1, in winter. In winter, they live in tents. Okay. Now I am going to the number 4. The lifestyle of river gypsies is dash. The lifestyle of river gypsies is dash, and the options are gorgeous, nomadic, conventional, fashionable. Okay, fashionable. The number of 3 question are, the lifestyle of river gypsies is dash, and the options are gorgeous, nomadic, conventional, fashionable. I hope you will complete your writings, and the answer is nomadic. Nomadic. The lifestyle of river gypsies is nominative. Our last choose the best answer is they live and travel dash in vehicles, in boats, in trawlers, in autos. They live and travel. You know the answer, I hope, and the answer is in boats. তারা নৌকায় করে, নৌকাতেই বাস করে এবং নৌকাতেই যাতায়াত করে। They live and travel in boats. Okay, I hope you have finished your writing. Now I will give you some question. Now I will give you some question from the text. Okay. Please write in your khata. Okay, now I will give you the first question is why do the gypsies return to the mainland? Why do the gypsies return to the mainland? কেন নদীবাসী যাযাবররা কেন মূল ভূখণ্ডে ফিরে আসে? And the answer is as in winter and the answer is as in winter many water bodies dry up, the gypsies return to the mainland. অনেক নদী শুকিয়ে যাওয়ার ফলে নদীর পানি কমে যায়, যার ফলে কি করে জিপসিসরা মূল ভূখণ্ডে ফিরে আসে। I hope you have completed your first question and I am going to the second question. Our second question is how do they drive away the evil spirit? Okay, I repeat the question again. How do they drive away the evil spirit? Okay, I will help you to give the answer, and our answer is they drive away the evil spirit by magic and special power. And the answer is the drive away the evil spirit by magic and special power. You can find your answer in your text. Okay. Our second question is how do they drive away the evil spirit? And the answer is they drive away the evil spirit by magic and special power. জাদুবিদ্যা এবং তাদের বিশেষ শক্তির কারণে তারা এইসব বিদ্যাগুলো দেখায়। Okay, now I am going to the question number 3, and our question is, where are gypsy children born and brought up? Our question is, where are gypsy children born and brought up? কোথায় তারা জন্মগ্রহণ করেন এবং বড় হয় যাযাবরদের ছেলেরা? And our answer is, gypsy children are born and brought up on rowing boats. Okay, I hope you are writing. Gypsy children are born and brought up on rowing boats. Our question is, where are gypsy children born and brought up? And our answer is, gypsy children are born and brought up on rowing boats. Okay, I hope you completed your writing. And now I am going to the number 4, and the question is, how do they earn their livelihood? Our question number 4 is, how do they earn their livelihood? তারা জীবিকার জন্য কিভাবে উপার্জন করে? I hope you know the answer. I will help you to give the answer, and the answer is, they earn their livelihood by entertaining people with snack, charming, and selling herbal cures. Our 4 number question is, how do they earn their livelihood? কিভাবে তাদের জীবিকা নির্বাহ করে? They earn their livelihood by entertaining people with snack, charming, and selling herbal cures. Okay, I hope you have completed your writing, and okay, thank you everyone. See you in the next class. Goodbye.